All right, so I wanted the live reaction. So I think the only thing to do now is go look at it. Damn, damn. Dude, that's an entirely different car. Holy shit. Dude, this looks insane. Oh man. You guys don't get to see it yet. I'm not gonna flip the camera yet, but oh my God. All the details, everything is perfect. Dude, this looks unreal. This looks absolutely insane. Man, this is awesome. Guys, we are back at Royal Road Collision. If you've been keeping up with the Subaru build, you already know why we are here. It's time to reveal to you guys my Chargespeed Widebody Subaru WRX. Well guys, it is the next day. We are in this Subaru. We are currently on our way to the throttle shop. Hopefully we can get some of the guys' reactions to what they think of the car. They know this thing's been away for a couple months in paint. We're excited to kind of reveal it to them first before I post anything online, before I post the video and stuff, and you guys can hopefully get an authentic reaction. So I think we're about 5-10 minutes out. We'll check back in once we're back at the shop. Hey there.
Yeah, dude, that looks like a whole new car.
Someone order a Subaru?
Way better.
Thoughts?
Dude, it looks good. I like the red a lot. What's this red from?
It's called Lucid Red Pearl, which is actually a Ford GT350 color.
Okay, yeah, that looks good.
So in the sun, you can kind of pick it up. It has like a orange kind of bronze kind of hue to it.
The selective carbon on here. Very throttle touch.
What's really cool is what we did with the trunk, though. It's not what a lot of people don't do this with the trunk.
This?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's BMW style, right?
Hey, you like that?
BMW CSL style. I do like that. Really nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks good in one color, and I like the red more so than the black. Black's so hard to keep clean.
Yeah. Nate reacts. I know you see it.
Oh, it's over there.
I know you see it.
Damn, dude. Holy shit, the color looks great.
Yeah, you like that?
I like the color a lot.
Thank you.
It looks dope.
So the color is Lucid Red Pearl.
Did you do anything like extra to it, or is it like straight?
No, this is the factory color.
Oh,
Details,
this looks dope.
the carbon.
Oh yeah.
What do you think? So,
And this is like,
yeah, that's masked out.
oh yeah. I think it came out great.
Yeah.
Kit came out cool. First body kit installed, yeah.
First kit install, yeah. So what you guys don't know is Nate has this same car. So his opinion is it's a good one to have.
Yeah, the kit is actually, dude, I don't think I've ever seen one of these like fully installed. I've seen someone install it without it being done.
Yeah.
I never saw it completed, but seeing this, dude, it looks great with the Save-On hood, front bumper.
Yeah, and it's there's a lot of attention to detail here with like the different masking of the different colors. So what's cool is Nate is obviously one of the media guys for Throttle, for those of you that don't know. So he's been around, you know, our guys doing a bunch of different installs on wide body kits and stuff like that. Particularly, we did an STI giveaway that actually I think had the same side skirts. They were Chargespeed side skirts.
Yeah.
But it had a was it the Veris front bumper and had some other components. It was kind of a mix.
Dude, there's been so many cars, it's hard to remember.
Yeah, there's a bunch of different stuff.
Yeah, you guys could find it on the internet.
I'll link it in the description if you guys are curious. But yeah, man, this is it's been a process. I've had this car going for like 3-4 months now.
So are these the wheels that you're gonna be running, or?
Oh, gotta bleep that. Got the white.
Oh, you got.
They don't know that.
Oh, he got. He's gonna bleep it out anyway.
I'm gonna bleep that out. You guys don't get to know what he just said. That's a later video. What do you think is like the biggest opportunity here with this front end? You know, just looking at it. What stands out like, something that can make the car...
I know there's no fog lights.
All right, I mean, that was cutthroat, but you know, something that can make the car a little more lit.
The headlights?
Yeah, yeah.
Those are stock headlights. So
they are stock headlights. Damn, it's almost like they didn't know that we are actually partnering with Circuit Demon for this build, and Circuit Demon is going to be helping us with a custom set of headlights as well as a DIY kit. So we're going to be retrofitting and customizing our stock headlights ourselves, but we're also going to have another set.
I gotta drive this thing, dude.
Whenever you're ready. So Nate's got a slow one. Slow.
Yeah, I got a slow one. It's all stock.
Stocky boy. Let's go give him a peek. Let's give him a peek.
Nah, it's all dirty.
Nah, we gotta give him a peek, dude.
It's all dirty.
There's the before and after. We'll catch him when he washes it. Maybe we'll do some pictures.
Yeah, maybe we'll shoot together.
He's a little media guy. I'm a little dirty too, actually. Windshield's a little crusty.
Cool though, dude. I dig it. Easily my favorite part of the car now.
Yeah, it adds a really sick body line. So this, it's actually this 30 millimeter from factory width. Which is really cool. So Chargespeed recommends running an 18 by 9.5 plus 38, plus 22 offset with a 10 mil spacer, which I'm not sure where they got those measurements from, because these are 18 by 9.5 plus 38 with like a 25 mil spacer, and it's still, obviously the offset's a little different, but if you're gonna come look at it, you better. With the Chick-fil-A's? What do you think? You got the Chick-fil-A. What's your quick overview?
Dude, really just real quick, dude. That body kit with that red.
Woo!
Looks really good.
So I'll point out the quick details for you so we can go eat our lunch.
Okay.
Carbon, off the bat, we masked around the license plate area.
Love it.
Exposed lip on the end of the duckbill here.
Okay.
Not a common thing. I've never seen that done on this trunk before.
Okay.
You obviously have the carbon rear diffuser.
Yeah, I like that. I like that.
Yeah, fan of that. It's probably my favorite. The front end I think looks insane.
Oh, let's look back here, take it in. Looks good. I like it.
Yeah.
Sick, man.
Not bad for first do it yourself. Yeah.
Yeah. No, looks good. Looks tight. You know, all the panels look straight. And see your car, bro.
Ricky leaks. I mean, I did.
Wash it.
I mean,
Bro, the color's sick. I really like it, dude.
so it's not technically a custom color. Guess what car that color's from?
Prius?
Damn, no. Ford. It's a Ford color.
Ford? I've never seen a Ford with this color.
Yeah.
I've seen a Prius that has like that little reddish
Yeah.
color. This is sick.
So this color is a GT350 color.
Really?
The Mustang.
Huh.
The newer Mustang.
Dude, the body kit looks sick too.
Body kit installed by yours truly. Is it Ricky approved?
Oh yeah, dude, it's solid. Yeah, hell yeah. Carbon. Damn, you got a lot of carbon in here too.
Dude, you like the
Sick, yeah.
little detail?
Yeah. Was this like the little third light that goes here?
Yeah, so a third brake light goes there.
You're gonna put it on, you're gonna keep it open. It doesn't look bad open.
It doesn't look bad open. It doesn't come with the kit. You have to get those separately. So I'm gonna try to find one. Did the
Black top.
Yep, gloss black roof. We did the masked off carbon license plate area. This little lip here.
Dude, that's sick LED tail.
Yeah, those are Buddy Club tails.
What suspension you have in here?
ISC coilovers right now.
Sidebond?
Yep. Sidebond. We did the masked carbon details on here. We
What body kit is this?
Chargespeed. The whole kit's Chargespeed.
I was gonna say Chargespeed. You know why? Because of this.
Oh, because it doesn't have
That little plaque that goes there.
Yeah, I literally just was on the phone because
You lost them.
no, it didn't. On the two fenders and the front lip, it didn't have the badges on there. So I actually was just on the phone with Donnie from Versus that handles Veilside Chargespeed and stuff. And yeah, he's gonna send me those 3 badges.
Sick, dude. Congrats, man. It looks great. It was gone for a little while, right?
Yeah, I think Body Shop had this for, I want to say 3, maybe 4 months roughly, but I didn't necessarily rush them either. I was like, take your time on it. So what's really nice too is it's a stage 3 paint job.
Oh, nice.
They used the best clear coat that Sherwin-Williams offers. So because it's such a thick clear coat, and they did, I think they said they did 2 or 3 layers of clear compared to what they usually do. So if for whatever reason I get a scratch, I have more to play with as far as buffing it out. And
Yeah, because you can buff it out and then we'll
exactly, and it's warranty. Sherwin-Williams offers a warranty up to 10 years.
It's sick though, I like it. I'll be back. Sorry, gotta go.
Bro, what is that?
Nice.
Dude.
It's gold stereo at SEMA, dude.
Oh, brother. That's not Quinn quality, dude.
I didn't put that together.
That's not Ricky spec either.
Put that together.
What do you think, Quinn? You've touched one of these once before.
Where's your Varus badge, dude?
It's not Varus.
Varus badge supposed to go there?
Whoa, stop pointing it out. I do actually have, they forgot to send me some.
Looks good though.
Yeah, like it?
I want to see the color of the sun. Obviously, there's still a few things like you don't have the trim here.
Yeah.
The little rubber trim.
Yep.
think it's nice. What kit is this?
Chargespeed, full Chargespeed kit.
that's right.
Yeah, Chargespeed Type B, full wide body kit. Chargespeed front lip, Chargespeed rear diffuser.
Chargespeed stuff just fits so nice.
Yeah, the Cybon hood, Cybon trunk.
I want to see the color in the sun.
Dude, when the sun hits it, it's money.